How to create private channel in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to create a private channel on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to create the channel, you need to tap on the pencil icon right here at the top. Now select it. Then here you can find new channel right here. Now tap on it. Now to create a channel, simply tap on to create channel right here. Select it, then add the channel name just like this. And tap on to next. You can also add the description right here. Tap on to next. Then here you can find the link which can be public or private. Now from here you can simply choose the private option. Now tap on to private right here and tap on to next. And add the members just like this and tap on to next once again. And now you can see the private channel has been created. This is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.